Hi, and thanks for watching my video on how to install the rear tire on a BMW K1600. Might be one of the easiest bikes to remove the rear wheel and install the rear wheel. So we just lift the rear wheel up and we put it on the hub, and then we line up our holes for our lug bolts, and then we're just going to screw them in. Simple as that. It's almost as easy as a Honda VFR. I gotta say, good job to BMW for finally changing the side of which way the lugs are. It was all backwards when they were on the left-hand side. But anyway, quickly enough, you just tighten them down, tighten all your bolts down in a star pattern across the wheel. Get them all snugged up. And then we're going to grab a torque wrench. Pretty sure you guys all know what the torque specs are for your bike. This would be the same for 2013, 14, 15, 44 foot-pounds. Typically, I don't give out torque specs. You really need to check your manual. You want to tighten these down in a star pattern.
He's the first guy to put a K1600 on a trailer and take it somewhere. And still think he's a real motorcyclist. And he's the last guy that bought a Corbin seat from Corbin.
Okay, wow, we went clean with that. I was really impressed. I was really thinking that was going in a different direction.
I do put them on every bike. I had a Russell, which they work really good because.
So once you've torqued them all down in a star pattern, what I typically do is just go all the way around one more time and make sure that they're all good and torqued properly. Now we're going to put the rear fender on. The rear fender just kind of lines up with the tail section and clicks into place. It's a pretty good design that BMW came up with. I do wish they would have made it a little bit easier to access the 4 bolts that hold this on. I don't know what else they could have used. Yeah, maybe a Dzeus fastener would have been a better option. That way you just have to spin and unclick it and it comes out. But the two that are in the back far corner are pretty hard to get to. What I normally do is I put all 4 in finger tight, and then I come back later and put the ratchet on them and just snug them up. These don't have to be the tightest bolts in the world. Again, this bolt is in your owner's manual on how you should torque it. It's probably something like 10 to 14 foot-pounds, almost nothing. Anyway, thanks for watching my video.